What if I told you that Claude just got a superpower and it completely changes how it works on internet? Right now, most AI tools fight the web. They hit captchas, get blocked, forget what they were doing and can barely stay logged into a website for more than a few seconds. But with the one new MCP connector called Firecrawl, all of that is gone. Claude gets its own dedicated isolated browser in the cloud. It can stay logged in, it can run multiple browsers in parallel, and it can scrape any website structured, fast and reliable. I have been using this in last few days and honestly it has changed how I work on internet. So in this video, I am going to show you 3 real world automation you can build today. No coding required. All you need is Claude Desktop and Firecrawl. Let's go. Before we build anything, I want to explain in 60 seconds what is actually happening, because once you understand this, everyone else clicks. Okay, so normally when Claude tries to browse the web, it is fighting a system that was never built for AI. Every login screen, captchas or "Are you a robot?" checkbox was originally designed for a human. So when Claude tries to use the web the same way you do, it hit walls constantly. Firecrawl just solved this problem completely. It gives Claude its own sandboxed browser in the cloud, which is completely separate from ours. So no access to your email, banking, your passwords, literally nothing. Claude gets its clean, isolated environment that it controls and you stay safe. And Firecrawl also strips out all the noise. No captcha fights, no anti-bot walls, no JavaScript headaches. Claude just gets clean, structured data delivered instantly. It is the difference between handing an intern your keys of your personal car versus providing him the company car. It's safer, faster and more productive. So if I explain the AI browsing before and after Firecrawl, then when you use without Firecrawl, Claude sees your Gmail and banking. It's blocked by captchas continuously. And without Firecrawl, it's only one page at a time. It's painfully slow, trust me. And it loses context on every restart and falls randomly and wastes your tokens. And with the Firecrawls, it completely isolated from your account. So that's why it's safe and private. And the second one is it bypasses anti-bot detection automatically. 10 plus parallel browsers you can open simultaneously. And the persistent sessions and it stays logged in. And it's fast, reliable and structured data every time. So you can see clearly the advantages of using Firecrawl. Now we will do the setup of Firecrawl in Claude Desktop. It's super easy. We can do it within just 5 minutes. So open Claude Desktop and then you can click on plus icon and then click connectors, then manage connectors. So here I already added Firecrawl, so I will show you. You can click on this plus icon and add custom connectors and you can give it Firecrawl 2 and paste this complete link. Then here you can see this API key. We need to paste the API key of Firecrawl. So let me show you how you can sign up and get the API key from Firecrawl. Now we are in the Firecrawl official website. If you don't have account, simply sign up and then sign in. I already have account, so I am already signed in. And here you can find the API key. As you can see, you can simply copy it and paste it in the Claude Desktop. And if you wanted to create separate new API key, you can go here and just create new API key. Now I already copied the API key. I will get back to Claude Desktop. Once you added this API key, it looks like this. It added into connector sections. And here there is an option of needs approval. So I will always allow. So it will not ask for my permission each time. And that's all. Now we can use Firecrawl in Claude Desktop. Okay, demo 1. This is literally every online shoppers can use immediately. Here is the scenario. You want to buy a product, let's say Sony WH-1000 XM5 headphones. You want the best price across all major German online shops right now. Normally you would open Amazon.de, MediaMarkt, Zattun, Otto, Coolblue one by one. Copy the prices, compare manually. That is around 20 to 30 minutes of work, especially checking delivery times and the discount offers across all the major layouts. I'm living in Germany, that's why I'm providing example from the Germany, but if you are in the US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, India, so you can use your own e-commerce platforms. Okay, to do this research, I will go to Claude and I will select here co-work specifically. And I created one new project called Firecrawl project. But if you haven't created, then you can create simply new folder here. And then I will paste this prompt. Use Firecrawl to search for the current prices of Sony headphones. And I provided all the sites which I want. And I selected here Sonet 4.6 and I will make sure that my connectors are connected. So as you can see, Firecrawl is activated. Then I will click on let's go. Okay, now it's saying I will search all 5 German shops in parallel right now. It's searching parallelly because we are using Firecrawl. As you can see, it's Firecrawl search using Firecrawl. As you can see from its research, we can buy this headphone from 179.90 euro from Amazon.de. And if I go normally, then it takes at least 30 minutes to research this everything. Now it researched for us within just 2 minutes. So now we have decision from where we can buy this headphone at the cheapest price. This example was very basic to give you context, but you can use this feature for literally any kind of research because it search across around 10 web browsers parallelly. Demo 2. This demo is for someone who is literally searching job in Germany or in Europe. Basically, you can use this demo to search job across your own country, whether you are in India, USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, literally anywhere. But the steps will be the common. Just change based on your own country. Hey guys, if you are learning something new today and enjoying my content, then subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and share it with someone who probably need this. Subscribing to my channel is the easiest way to support me in my journey. Let's get back to the video. The challenge with job searching here is real. The best roles on LinkedIn, Indeed, Stepstone and Zing fill up within 24 to 48 hours of posting. And manually checking all 4 platforms every single day, filtering by location, language requirements, visa sponsorship, it's exhausting. So instead of doing it manually every morning, let's build an agent that does it for us. Okay, I opened Claude Co-work and then paste this prompt. So use Firecrawl to search for job openings across LinkedIn, Indeed, Stepstone and Zing simultaneously. Role is AI product manager or growth analyst. Location would be in Germany, Berlin, Munich or remote. And I'm providing all other details which I need in my job. I'm specifically mentioning here this date posted, so show jobs only which is posted in last 7 days, and then I will execute. So it's a nightmare for job hunters to go to this website every day, every morning and find the jobs and then create CV and the cover letters. If you run this automation, then it saves lots of hours. You just need to create CV and cover letter, then you can apply it. And on top of that, you can also do something like this. You can paste the CV with this prompt and you can mention that specifically match my CV with the job description and the title and provide me only jobs which I'm qualified to do it and provide me scores out of 10. What is happening right now is Firecrawl is hitting all these 4 to 5 job site which I just mentioned and it's searching parallelly and find the job for us. Okay, can you see the screen? It's providing jobs with all information, product manager, AI products, N26, location, expected salary, AI product manager. If salary is not listed, then it's providing specifically. AI product manager in deep neural lab with salary of around 75,000, 1,000K estimated. It's provided us full job based on our location and the criteria which provided. Just imagine if you wanted to do it manually, it takes hours, and it gave us just under 5 minutes. And it also provided the sources which it used. And it's provided quick notes about visa relocation as well. So N26, Proxima Fusion and Climatic are known to support international applicants. For the all jobs, check the job page or email HR. And it's providing all the information what we have asked. You can enhance this based on your own requirements like I mentioned. Okay, the final demo, and this one I saved for the last because when I first saw this output, I genuinely stopped what I was doing and just stared at the screen. Here is the problem. We are all drowning in information right now. AI is moving so fast that even people who follow it closely miss important developments. Most of us either spend an hour reading newsletters and articles every morning or we fall behind completely. What if Claude do all that research for you? Search the live internet right now, find the most important AI stories published this week, read each one and then write you a completely ready to send newsletter in under 60 seconds. I will paste this prompt. So use Firecrawl to search the web for the 5 most important AI news stories published in the last 7 days. Focus on European and German sources when possible. So I'm providing 3 sources alongside global sources as well. And also I'm providing 3 sources over there as well. And now I will just click here Sonnet and let me check if the connectors is there. Okay, Firecrawl is there, then I will execute. As you can see, it's browsed today's internet, finding real articles published this week, scraping the actual content and feeding all of that to Claude to synthesize in the real time. Look at this, a complete formatted ready to send AI newsletter. Real stories from this week, smart summaries, a genuine opinion in the editor's pick section. Not generic filter and a subject line I would actually open. This took around 45 seconds. Writing this manually, finding the articles, reading them, summarizing them and writing the intro and the opinion piece. That is 2 hours of work every single week, and now it is in one prompt. And here is what makes this really powerful. You can change the topic to anything: marketing trends, legal news in Germany, startup funding in Europe, climate tech, whatever your industry is. Claude and Firecrawl can do this for you every single week. Here is the real thing I want you to take away. Firecrawl doesn't just make Claude faster at web browsing, but it makes Claude reliable in web browsing. There is a difference in both things. Those are just the starting point. You can use this exact same setup to build a news monitor, a lead generation agent, a content research tool, a real estate listing scraper. If data exists on the web, Claude plus Firecrawl can get it for you. And you don't need to know how to code. You just need to know what to ask. If this content was useful for you, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, because subscribing to my channel is the easiest way to support me in my journey.